Hello, my name's Dawn, but a lot of you call me
Spice Dawn.
Yes, you do, and that is Spice Colin behind the camera. Hey, we're still under the stay-at-home order. So, things are getting a little boring here at the Spice household. So, I have started, actually Colin accidentally did this without him even knowing it.
Oops.
But we use foaming soap dispensers. Okay, we have really nice, pretty, fancy glass ones. We have plastic ones. There's like water levels on these where you fill how much soap, how much water. Don't shake them. Roll them or pre-mix your soap with the water, stirring it with a spoon and add it to your foaming soap dispenser. Or you get a whole bunch of suds and you don't want that. But think about this. We have well over 10 hand soaps in the Scentsy product line. Well, imagine if you mixed 2 of them. Imagine if you mixed a 3rd one. Imagine the custom hand soap fragrances you can make for yourself. Now, I would suggest before doing this that you put a little bit of squirt in your palm of each one. Rub it. See if you like that smell before you mix up a whole foaming soap dispenser of it. But think about the options and how much fun you could have making your own custom hand soap mixtures. Now, I'm going to throw in something else. Johnny Appleseed, that's a dish soap. Well, you shouldn't use that on your hands. Well, it's made for hand washing dishes. This isn't washing machine dish, dish that thing over there. It's not for the machine. This is to hand wash your dishes. So if you can use Johnny Appleseed dish soap or any of our other dish soaps with your whatever device while you're hand washing your dishes, it's going to be perfectly fine for a 20-second diluted with water 20-second hand washing, don't you think? Because it's made for hand washing dishes. Here's something else, a little crazy. Best Bud Suds. Well, if it's formulated to be gentle enough for your pet's coat that you are rubbing in and sudsing up with your hands for way more than 20 seconds, then it, I would think, would also be safe to dilute with the proper portion of water to make foaming, not gel soap. This thing is a secret. You can mix and match and do all kinds of wonderful things with our soapy products. Imagine the fun you could have. Imagine just, read your book. There's so many choices. And then you could, you mathematical people could figure it all out. Infinite, maybe, choices on custom fragrances. Your customers might have fun with this. Now, let's think about laundry. What about the washer whiffs? A scoop of this and a scoop of that. Oh, custom laundry fragrance. Yes, it can be you too. So, I hope this video helps you. I have a Facebook business page called Spice Dawn Tips to Share. That's fun. You might want to look at that. It's different tips than what I put on my YouTube. But for the spouses and cohabitators out there, if you happen to find a hand soap hidden way in the back of the sink and it says something like coconut cotton on it, Colin, do not use that as a mixer.
Are you going to tell them about the lotion incident?
No, not the lotion incident, but he said, hey, I filled up my hand soap. And I'm like, oh, what did you use? He goes, I used this. And I saw that it was my favorite coconut cotton that I've been hoarding. Oh my God, don't mix that with anything. It's too fabulous. We can't get it anymore. So if you were going to have your favorites, make sure you're a better hand soap hider of your favorites. Now, the thing that happened this morning is I got out a pineapple coconut vanilla soap, or so I thought, but accidentally I had gotten the lotion and put it in the guest bathroom sink. So when Colin was in there and he went to wash his hands, what happened?
My hands were so soft and smooth.
He got a palm full of hand lotion.
Smelled good though.
Yeah. But anyway, you know, they are coordinating designs on the labels. So make sure you're putting the soap out and not the lotion. But if my videos help you, feel free to share. Bye.